Do you play tennis? Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I do not. Does she come from Brazil? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. No, she does not. Does he like pizza? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. No, does not. Does a giraffe live in a zoo? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. No, it does not. Do they go to school from Monday to Friday? Yes, they do. No, they don't. No, they do not. Do we live on planet Earth? Yes, we do. No, we don't. No, we do not. Do you cook? Yes, I do. Do you drink coffee? Yes, I do. Do you eat hot dogs? Yes, I do. Do you like me? No, I don't. I don't want to marry you. Do you live in a house? No, I don't. I live on the street. I'm homeless. Do you want to go out tonight? No, I don't. I don't have any money. Does she play hockey? Yes, she does. Does she drink tea? Yes, she does. Does she come from France? Yes, she does. Does she live in a caravan? No, she doesn't. She lives in a house. Does she go to work by car? No, she doesn't. She goes to work by train. Does she start work at 7 o'clock? No, she doesn't. She starts work at 9 o'clock. Does he drive? Yes, he does. Does he have a dog? Yes, he does. Does he give money to charity? Yes, he does. Does he have money? No, he doesn't. Does he teach English? No, he doesn't. He teaches maths. Does he finish work at 5 o'clock? No, he doesn't. He finishes work at 7 o'clock. Does a dog have 4 legs? Yes, it does. Does a helicopter fly in the sky? Yes, it does. Does a washing machine wash clothes? Yes, it does. Does a monkey have 4 legs? No, it doesn't. It has 2 legs. Does the film start at 8 o'clock? No, it doesn't. It starts at 8:30. Does the shoe shop open on Sundays? No, it doesn't. It opens from Monday to Saturday. Do they work in an office? Yes, they do. Do they go to university? Yes, they do. Do they sing in a choir? Yes, they do. Do they come from Italy? No, they don't. They come from China. Do they eat in a restaurant every night? No, they don't. They eat out 4 times a month. Do they go snowboarding every day? No, they don't. They go snowboarding 3 times a week. Do we travel by bus? Yes, we do. Do we play arcade games? Yes, we do. Do we go to the gym? Yes, we do. Do we work in a school? No, we don't. We work in a hospital. Do we like each other? No, we don't. We hate each other. Do we want to go out tonight? No, we don't. We want to stay in and eat chocolate.